So in this video we are going to do unboxing of WECON HMI. So let's open it. It has a really nice casing with bubble it has a really nice casing with bubble wrap, and as you can see, here's a brand name mentioned over here, and on the back side you can see its model as well. It is 24 volt DC powered up. That is how most of the HMI, or almost all HMI, are powered up, right? Here's the 24 volt connector. Here's the interface, serial interface to connect our PLC with this HMI. It is RS232 interface, and we have that cable as well. And then we have one option, USB, normal USB port. You can connect your mouse keyboard with it, and then you have one cable to program your HMI. So this is sort of the same cable that are used on printers as well, and the same cable are used on HMI as well to program our HMI. So from this cable we will program our HMI, design buttons, indicators, alarms through its software Pi Studio, and from this cable it will establish communication with our PLC. So right, as you can see, details over here as well. It requires 0.5 ampere of power supply. I believe I have a power supply of 2 plus amperes, so that won't be an issue. It is a 7-inch HMI, and I really like the color scheme as well. It is a grayish color. Normally Delta and Wintech HMIs are in black color, right? So yep, that's about that. We will see its hard wiring and designing in the next lesson. Other than that, we have some connectors as well to plug this HMI to our panels, operator panels. I don't exactly remember the name of these connectors, but you can easily look up on the internet. We have some, I believe that was WECON Technology Quality Assurance Pass, and then we have its manual as well. So thank you.